manufacturer to the market leader. The company is now diversifying into several new areas, including back-office systems and portable devices. What's the secret of U.S. robotics success? For that, we're now joined by the company's chairman and CEO, Cowell, who joins us from our Chicago studio. Good morning, and thanks for joining us on Digital Jam.
Hey, good morning, Steve. It's really a pleasure to be here.
I wanted to clarify one thing. A piece of research of a couple of months ago said that actually you were number 2 to a Taiwanese company. Are you, in fact, the global leader or leader in the United States?
Well, we view robotics as the global leader, largest market share with the Sportster brand of high-speed dial-up modem, certainly in the United States and Europe, the big markets we identify today, and expanding with our dial-up products, the Sportster brand, throughout the world. But that's just a part of the robotics business. A big reason for our success is a very focused investment in core technology, and then taking that core technology investment into an ever broader and reinforcing product line. For example, our total control hub products are the products that an internet accessor dials into when calling most internet service providers or the bigger dial-up services like CompuServe or America Online, and that's of course true in North America and in Europe. So the Sportster brand for high-speed dial-up is the leading brand worldwide, and the leading brand market share-wise North America and Europe. But that's just part of the story, and we continue to broaden the product line. In fact, I have with me an amazing product we acquired the technology for a year ago.
Mr. Cowell, we'll get to
the organizer. And well, we just think it's a great platform for communications overall.
Well, okay, you've got it. It's from the Palm Company, which you acquired. And it's an organizer. What else is it?
Well, it's the Pilot is a handheld organizer that's really focused on doing the organizational function of your life, name and address, telephone book, and calendar, and memo capability. But it's really the emphasis in our view long-term is as a communications platform. We think the real game to be played going forward is to focus on core technology, digital signal processor-based communications technology, and roll that out into an ever-broadening range of products, platforms that are appropriate for a variety of human communications uses. And the Pilot...
Mr. Cowell, you used an acronym, well, you didn't use the acronym DSP, but you did say digital signal processing. Can you explain that?
Sure. Digital signal processor is a microprocessor that's optimized for computationally intensive problems, and that's really what building communications products is all about.
I wanted to ask you, why does a modem company want to be in the mobile products business? And also, I think there's a key attribute to that we haven't quite explained, which is that it very simply synchronizes what you have in your hand or in your pocket with what you'll later have on your desktop PC. Isn't that right?
Yeah, a great thing about the Pilot is that you, in fact, I have it here. The product is shipped with a holster, and that connects to your PC standard interface cable. And you just drop Pilot into the holster, push a button, and all the files on your Pilot are synchronized with a like set of files run by a very sophisticated program on your personal computer. So it really makes it easy to manage your life yourself or your assistant on your PC, but carry the information in your shirt pocket. And long-term, we see the Pilot as a tremendous platform for wireless and voice-based messaging capability and communications capability. So
Mr. Cowell, as I understand it, the fastest modems now available for most PCs operate at, I think, 28,000 baud, 28,000...
800 bits per second. That's the industry standard.
Well, are you concerned about cable modems looming on the horizon? Are they a threat to your core business?
Yeah, we see that cable modem opportunity is a tremendous opportunity for U.S. robotics worldwide, and it's another avenue in which we can exploit our concentration in core technology into a higher performance communications product line. Really, what's happened is that the processing horsepower inside a personal computer has gone up 100 to 1,000-fold in the last 10 years or so. The bandwidth, the speed at which you can communicate over the telephone network, has gone up only roughly 10-fold. So there's huge pent-up demand, given all the Windows-oriented and graphically oriented programs out there, huge pent-up demand to be able to use personal computers and other communications platforms for human-based communications. And building products that enable or exploit the technical capability of processors out there to enable humans to communicate better is what robotics is really focused on.
Robotics is also, Mr. Cowell, Robotics has been a company whose stock has soared, but there's also been a considerable amount of volatility. Is that going to continue or not?
Well, we certainly hope that the stock will continue to go up as it has in the past, and the best thing we can do is exploit tremendous opportunities going forward, like the cable modem marketplace. If we're able to focus on core technology, bring out that line of products, both ends of the link, like we have with the Sportster and Total Control line and the Megahertz brands, the leading market share product for portable computer users, if we're able to do that in the cable arena, we think that we can continue to lay down high-end, tremendous numbers on the top line and great bottom line profitability, and will remain a tremendous investment.
Terrific. Thanks very much, Casey Cowell, CEO of U.S. Robotics, for joining us from our Chicago bureau. Thank you.
Thanks, Steve.